Hello escapers. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. I am Gabriel, and today I invite you to escape in nature with me. I hope this recent walking tour to the waterfall can be an interesting virtual walk for you. Please stay with me until the end of this short video to see wonderful winter scenery with fresh snow in pure nature. For many years, here was the old forest road that winds along this beautiful valley, reaching at its end to a high glade and then to Scarisoara Peak. But after the big floods that took place here in the summer of 2020, the water stream changed its course, completely taking over the road on certain parts of it. Nevertheless, the thrilling beauty of nature is undeniable, a captivating and deliberate self-denial feeling. For few moments, the sole interaction with nature is a leisurely contemplation of this breathtaking winter scenery. The fresh snow shines uncanny and then begins to fall down from the highest branches of the trees, here and there. The road is barely touched here, only the forest rangers passed by with their cars a while ago. I feel blissful to be here, and now. I am grateful that I have all these wonders of nature so close to me. I am humble that I can show them to others too. And maybe, this will bring them a necessary relief from a stressful day-by-day struggle. In this world, in these days, with this sad pandemic situation, there are so many people in need of simple joys. I really think that nature is the best cure for human soul. This is the first time I'm using my Huawei P30 Pro for a complete video shooting, and I can say it now, this is one of the best camera phones currently available. So if you like what you see, please share this video with your friends. Maybe some of them will use it for a virtual run at spinning, or they will simply enjoy watching it at home. Thank you for watching. If you stayed with us this long, it means you are a true escaper. Please consider helping this channel. Give us a like to this video. Share it with your friends and subscribe for more.